Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix WhatsApp image not showing in gallery. Open WhatsApp app. Press the vertical three dot icon. Click settings. Click chats. Click to enable this option, media visibility. This option is very important once because if you disable this option, your downloaded WhatsApp file are not showing. Close this app. Select this app. Click F info. Click permission. Then check it all the permission are allowed or not. Open Play Store. Search the application. If the application is not updated, please update. Restart your phone. Thanks for watching.